Hi drivers, Paul Taylor here from Truckers Justice Center, continuing our series, actually coming to the end of our series of short videos on 10 stupid things drivers do to mess up their court cases. So sometimes we get a really good case, sometimes an okay case. We never take a bad case, but sometimes they turn bad because of some of the things that we've talked about in these videos. But absolutely, the most stupid thing we ever have drivers do to mess up their own cases is the disappearing act. They play Harry Houdini. They don't show up. They have disconnected phone numbers, mail not forwarding, no email, and then all of a sudden it comes up to trial time or we're ready to get off, and there's an, oh, you didn't tell me. You know, you can't disappear on us. I have a long talk every time I take a case, and almost every case, because I'm the head attorney, I have this talk once a talk's been screened, and I said, you know, one of the requirements we have for representing you is that you keep a working email, a working cell phone number so we can reach you, and you keep a working address so we can communicate with you. You don't just turn a case over to us and we run with it. So what does the disappearing act look like to us sometimes? Return mail, no forwarding address left. People who are always looking for the best deal on cell phones or get the disposables, and next thing you know, we have no number for them. That makes it even difficult for us to get off a case when we have to. And if you do a disappearing act on us for a month or two, or even 6 weeks, about 2 weeks, you have to be able to maintain communication with us. So when you do the disappearing act, you are putting your case in jeopardy, which means I don't care how busy you are. I have a cell phone. All our staff here has cell phones. We give our cell phone numbers to our clients. So you do a disappearing act, you might get sanctioned because your lawyer's been trying to reach you to answer interrogatories, which are written questions, or to appear for a deposition. But one of the worst things we've ever had on a disappearing act is a driver who failed to show up for his trial. He came to town. He showed up at the courthouse. He had to go back to the hotel for his ID. This was Pete Lavoie's case. He's another attorney here. And the driver disappeared. We haven't heard from him since. Now, that's a dumb thing to do. Now, I know there's lots of smart truck drivers out there. There's lots of smart lawyers. We all do dumb things in life. But if you are going to have a court case, you need to participate in it, and you have to be able to maintain communications with your lawyer. Whether the lawyer be somebody from here at Truckers Justice Center, one of the 3 lawyers here and staff, or whether any lawyer, you need to be able to be in touch with your lawyer and to stay in touch. Thanks for watching. Don't do anything to screw up your case intentionally. Bye.